Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna film a little video clips for my Kawasaki Ninja 250. It's limited, maybe special edition, and here we go. I bought it like 2 months ago, and I really enjoy riding it. It's for me, it's like a perfect vehicle. Here we go, some revs. Yep. So, because I'm currently studying at university, which is Commute at Brisbane CBD. That's part of the reason that I bought it, because it's really easy and cheap to park my bike, other than a big car or anything. Yeah, some might say, oh, why you don't take a bus, blah blah, because it's at CBD. Yeah, there's a bus, but it's like it comes every 1 hour or something. If you miss it, you're definitely gonna miss the lecture, and you miss a lot of everything. So yeah, that's one reason. For another, yeah, I just want to have some fun in my life, yeah, when I was a kid, yeah, I just love the noise of the bike, just enjoy hearing it. And my father used to have one Honda, and yeah, he used to take me like everywhere in my hometown on a bike. So yeah, so I thought I might have one in the future. Yeah, now I have one. So also, I've got a car in Brisbane, but yeah, it costs a lot for the petrol. Not really a lot, but you know, every time when you fill the tank, you feel, oh my god, it's another $50. It's another $50. But for this bike, it's like $15, something like that, for a full tank, and you can keep riding for about 300 kilometers without any issues, which is really cheap compared to any kind of car, even cheaper than a Prius or something like that. You know, it's a bike, it's light, and it's just way more convenient than cars. Yeah, apologies for my accent. I don't know if everyone can understand me clearly, or yeah, you don't like my accent. Yeah, you can put on the comments. Yeah, I'm trying to improve. I've been in Australia for about like 5 years. I'm still kind of mixed Chinese and Chinese accent and a little bit Australian, I guess. So yeah, and it's my first time making this kind of video clip. I don't really know if it's gonna work out, or yeah, I don't know what I'm doing now. So let's come back to my bike. I am on my way to the university, and I'm living at a place about 6 or 7 kilometers from Brisbane City. So yeah, that take me like 15 minutes to ride to university. Now the time is about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So as you can see, there are like many traffic going on. But luckily, we don't have any traffic jam or anything at this moment. Yeah, the road in Brisbane is pretty good actually. Normally, if you avoid the peak hours, yeah, you won't get any traffic jam or any delay or anything on your way to anywhere. So it's pretty awesome city to stay. Well, as you can see, the acceleration of my bike is it's good actually. Yes, everyone say, oh, it's 250. Come on, buy a bigger one. Or everyone say, you should be a man, riding something big. You know, looks better. But I think for now, I'm really happy with this bike. Because if you have bigger engine, you're definitely gonna use more petrol. And so what's your advantage of riding a bike? You get something and you lose something. That's it. And for most of the time, you don't need to like ride really hard or accelerate really hard to have fun. I think riding a bike itself is already like enjoyable. Yeah, so it's an awesome vehicle for me, and I think I will have it for a couple of years or even longer, because I'm not planning to upgrade my bike. I saw some YouTube video talking about the Kawasaki Ninja 250 compared to some other bigger models. They say most of the people just say it's a good bike, and if you want upgrade and one day you're gonna miss your little Ninja 250, because it's like kind of thing that you just like it, you know. It's not like you get bigger engine and it's gonna be faster in every way. You're definitely gonna be slower when you make the turn, and and for most of the time you don't need to like accelerate so hard, because it's in a city and there is speed limit, so you can't go too far from that. No, there are like so many cops everywhere in the city. I've seen many, and so this is the main highway to city and to northern suburb of Brisbane. My angle is a bit too low, I guess, so you couldn't see the skyline of the city. But actually, Brisbane is quite a small city. So basically, as you can see, it's just those buildings. That's it. And I'm just making a left turn, and my university just right around the corner. So then I will arrive. That's really convenient. So before I bought this bike, I did some research about Kawasaki Ninja 250, or if I should buy a 250 or 650 or something even bigger, or 125. Yeah, someone says It's first time when you're running 250, you'll feel a little bit scared. It's not that powerful, but it can be quick. You know, and if you are used to it, and you can enjoy it after that. If you buy a 125cc, yeah, at first time you will be happy, but after a week or something, or a month, you will get bored. You know, yeah. Now I trust them. I believe them. That's the truth. So I don't really recommend anything smaller than 250. But for 650, yeah, you can get it if you like. But because my friend got Suzuki 750, so for the first time I try it, I feel it's a bit scary to really ride it, and if you really want to enjoy it, you need to like practice a lot, and it's really not that good for a beginner. Even like 650, yeah. So I don't know, maybe that kind of bike is in another category for experienced rider. When you have been riding a smaller bike for a long time and you feel confident making each turn, or yeah, you know how to do the counter steering properly, and then you can have it and you can enjoy it without any issues. So here we go. It is my university's car park. It's still a little bit messy. See, on the right there's area for motorbike, and on my left there's one spot. So I think I just park here, and here we go. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you have any comments or anything you think I'm wrong, or any advice or anything, please just leave a comment or anything. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and it's my first video, and apologies for my accent if it's not clear enough or anything. Yeah, here we go. I'm heading to the swimming pool.